I'm the Chief Technical Officer for the City of Tampa. We have about 29 different departments that comprise the city, and we provide the technology, both applications, software, hardware, and hosting for all of those customers. Some of the main goals for our project were we wanted to move to a full software as a service environment. It gives us predictability. We know our system is always going to stay updated. We wanted a system that would grow with us, and at the City of Tampa, as a growing city, we knew that the software that we were purchasing needed to be something that would fit us 10 years from now. We did the full replacement. The ERP for us is the basic finance systems, HCM, which is human capital, and SCM, which is our purchasing and inventory systems. We did choose Oracle Consulting as our partner, and that was really for a couple of reasons. So we were looking at a 10-month implementation plan for ERP, SCM, and HCM, and in order to hit that, our judgment was we needed somebody who really knew the system we were coming from and really knew the system that we were going to. By our measure, that meant that Oracle Consulting, the tools that they have, their SOAR methodology, really put them in the best spot to move us more quickly than anybody else could. The primary value of having Oracle as a technology and services partner is we have someone who can backstop us during the most difficult times, and having a partner who is there when we need them is very, very important. The responsiveness and their ability to address our concerns at any hour of the day and night is vastly improved over our previous arrangements.